Hi, this is Linda, and I'm just making a quick recipe, kind of take a spin off of my latest, recipe for the cream pies that I've been making. And I don't have my equipment all set up, but I've got my iPad, so I'm just going to show you real quick because this is just a short one. And I took like 5 of the pizzellis. These are what the pizzellis look like, and I crumbled them up, maybe 4 or 5, and put them in the bottom of my pie plate. I took 1 large box of the Jell-O sugar-free reduced fat pudding, along with 2 cups of non-fat Greek yogurt, and then I mixed that all together in my blender, and not blender but food processor, and just mixed it all together for like a minute. Then I added 1 container of fat-free Cool Whip, and then pulsed it just lightly to blend it all together. Now I'm slicing up some bananas. I'm going to put the bananas on the bottom, and I'm going to pour the pudding on top. So it's going to be a chocolate banana yogurt cream pie. I thought I'd just tell you this real quick because I don't have time to set up the other stuff. But it's another variation you might enjoy. So here it goes. Okay, I don't have my face on here because I want you to see the pie instead. But, okay, it's going to go in the refrigerator now. If you noticed on the video, I put like 5 broken up pizzellis on the bottom, 2 sliced bananas, and then I took 1 large box of the sugar-free chocolate pudding, Jell-O chocolate pudding, mixed it with 2 cups of non-fat Greek yogurt, and then I folded in 1 tub of fat-free Cool Whip, which was 16 tablespoons. The points come out to be, this is a pretty nice sized pie. You could cut this into 8 slices, and it will be 2 points, 2 blue points per slice. Or if you want to do what we will probably do, because what's 1 extra point, I'm going to cut this into 6 once it sets, and it'll be 3 points per slice. So now it's going to go in the freezer for a few hours. I may get it out before it completely gets hard so we can have it for a later, today for a snack. I'll see how it turns out. Bye.